Going.
Don't get cocky. You haven't beaten me yet. Awaken the giant!
I've had enough of you messing with my magic. Play with my fire and you're bound to get burned. You got me?
All wizards in danger zone evacuated.
What the heck's going on?
He's awakening it right now. There's no horizontal stabilization in here.
Stamina what?
Joyce now standing. You fairy tailors are through. Phantom's giant will slaughter you. Phantom's most powerful weapon. And before me, you detested friends. Are you will fall victim to my wrath? Savor your last moments because soon I will end your pathetic little lives.
If you don't see, it looks like it has a little green tent. Hey, it looks like it has a green tent to it.
Motion sickness? What's your problem? You get motion sickness? Guess you can't eat fire right now, can you? Well then, time for me to finish you off. Prepare to die, Dragon Slayer! Wait, hey, no! What's happening to me? You're not That's not my perfect so you
I'm actually at 58.
That was just sad.
Lower shot.
Giant motion sickness.
Great. Ruins and forbidden spells. Uh-oh.
Look at the size of me. Black Wind will wipe out the entire city.
We're down.
What do we do? We gotta stop them.
Guess we should split up and start looking for this thing's power source, right?
Man, we ever gonna catch a break?
Come on. Let's do this, guys.
Yeah.
Mira, how long do you think we have until the giant casts that spell? I'd say about 10 minutes. If only we could figure out what's powering it. Don't worry, I'm sure the guys inside are looking for the power source right now.
Oof.
Someone's in there with Natsu? Yeah.
Sorry for the background.
But why? What's the big deal? He wanted to go. You know as well as I do that he can't fight. It's just too dangerous. He'll be fine. He was one of our best fighters in Red League.
That's weird.
But he would have been against one of Phantom's best as he is now. I don't know if he can handle it. Well, yeah. I understand. Listen, we all suffered with you.
Thunderstruck.
His way of trying to leave the past behind and move forward. Let him do it.
Hot Pockets. Yum.